Baby, you ain't gotta lie to me. Got me tripping off your energy.
Hey YouTube, it's Vanessa, and in today's video I'm doing a purple and blue eyeshadow look. So if you're interested to see what this turns out to look like, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I brought you guys a little closer so you guys can get a better look at eyeshadow, since that's all I'm doing in today's video. So the two palettes I'm going to be using for the purple and blue is my Morphe 35V palette, and then also my Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows, so now time to carve them out and prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going in with my M410 brush and going in with my foundation, Classic Beige, and I'm just going to be carving out my eyebrows.
Who gon' do for me? See, I just wanna know. You hear me on the low, stressing 'cause you.
So now that I have my eyelids prepped, I'm going to now be jumping into the actual eyeshadow itself. So I'm going to be going in with my M411 brush, and it's stained from my last video. If you have not seen my last video, it was my dad picks my eyeshadow color and he chose pink. So I'll link that video in the description bar down below if you are interested. So I'm going to be doing the purple around the blue. So the palette I'm going to be going in with first is my James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Single, which is this light purple color, the lightest purple in the palette. And I'm going to be applying this into my crease.
Don't tell promises you ain't gon' keep. I'll find another who gon' do.
I'll be taking my makeup up and kind of just cleaning the sides. I'm going to be going in with my M433 brush, and this is also stained pink. And I'm going to be dipping into the color Escape, which is the darker purple that sits right next to the last color we used. This is Escape. And I'm going to be sticking that right over what I just laid down, but also applying it into my inner V and outer V, which is right here and right here. Right here and right here.
For me, see, I just wanna know. You hear me on the low.
To blend those two colors together, I'm going back into my M441 brush and blending those colors.
Yeah. Baby, how you feel?
The next color I'm going to be going into is the color I'm going to be going into the color Brother, which is this blue right here. It's like a purple blue color, and I'm going to actually be applying this in that area where we left kind of alone, and I'm just not going to be trying to apply this all over the lid, but only in that one section. So I'm going to be going in with my M506 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into that shade.
So you really have me thinking for a minute. Look, I ain't perfect, but my love for sure is different.
Okay, to make the sides of this darker, I'm going to be going in back with my M433 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Bad Boy in the 35V, and this is the darkest purple, and I'm just going to be putting that on the sides of the blue.
I'll find another who gon' do for me. See, I just wanna know. You hear me on the low.
So now I'm going back in to the color Brother that I went in with in the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be applying that a little bit more where it's already applied on my lid.
I'm supposed to. When you was out here trying to get it, I was.
The next thing I'm going to be going into is my 35V palette. I'm going to be adding a shimmer where the blue is, and I think I'm just going to swatch some of the blue shimmers. I feel like I'm gonna go into these two. I feel like if I layer them, they'll look beautiful. I'm gonna put this on the base and then this on the top of the base. Okay, so I'm going to be going to Ride or Die from the 35V and Hello from the James Charles palette. So the brush I'm going to be using for that is I'm going to be using both a flat packer brush and also my fingers to get the best color payoff. So I'm going to be using my M124 brush for the base, and I'm going to place that right over the color brother.
Baby, how you feel?
I feel like I would like this if it was all the way to the center, like all the way to my inner corner, and I think I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to be taking more of Ride or Die and bringing that into my inner corner like this. I like that better. I know, like, throughout looks I like to change them because there's no really right or wrong. So you can either do the halo eye or you can do the half cut crease option. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my finger for the color Hello. So I'm going to be taking Hello, I'm going to put that right directly on top. Right directly on.
You hear me on a low, stressing 'cause you aren't even picking.
Now I'm going to be going in with my M433 brush, and I'm just going to blend out the dark purple into the blue. That's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be doing a winged liner. The liner I did yesterday in my last video came out so pretty. I'm not going to do it as dramatic as I did yesterday, but just a little wing. Back in with my Mario Badescu spray. I'm just going to do one because I feel like I added a lot. It's one spritz. I do have water, so I feel like I could have used the water. And I'm going in with my M250 brush. Is that what it's called? Or is it 0? And I'm swirling right in here. If you want to see what brand this is, if you want to try it out yourself, and this is what it looks like. It is the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. Let me be a YouTuber real quick. Ooh, yeah. Okay, but I'm just gonna be doing a little baby wing.
Give you my full attention, baby. You ain't gotta lie to me.
Okay guys, so that's the finished liner. So I did a few swipes of the liner on the back of my hand just so I don't like have this whole puddle of eyeliner, and so I could just kind of test it and to make sure I'm not gonna put like I said, a whole puddle of liner on my eyelid. So I'm gonna be back and I'm just gonna do my lashes real quick. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. This is the completed eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you recreate it, comment down below, and even if you don't recreate it, still comment down below some video suggestions because I'm still, you know, trying to figure out what I should film. I'm getting a lot of suggestions from family and friends, so I'm going to try to figure out how I'm going to film those. And also subscribe to this new little family and like this video and share it if you want to. But thank you for watching my video today. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
That you would do this, would never give my heart to you.